Hi guys, it is Friday the 31st of January, which means it is our Valentine's launch day. So today is a studio vlog. I'm bringing you along with me for my day as I am launching tonight. I've already said everything I'm about to say, but unfortunately I just went to edit a YouTube video and I uploaded the footage that I've done this morning and it's got no volume and it's slow motion. That's good. So we are doing a launch day today. These are the earrings that we're going to be launching. We have got a whole Valentine's collection here. Lots of different ones. This launch, this is the first launch of the year. So we've got some bigger cherries. We've got some pearlescent bows and balloon dogs. We've got lots of different characters for this launch: Snoopy, Hello Kitty, Elmo, the aliens from Toy Story and Stitch. So we've got a really fun collection coming, and it's our first ever time launching mugs. So it's a new year, new product. I'm very excited to get this launched. I don't know how it's gonna go. We've got these earring lover mugs that are going to be available. They've got the red handle, red interior. This I hand drew myself. I absolutely love it, and the design is on both sides, which I love, and it's not like heat pressed on, it's actually imprinted into the mug, so you can't feel it at all, no texture, which I really like, and it's really good quality. I always say if I'm gonna launch anything that isn't handmade by me, it has to be very good quality, and these are. They even go in the dishwasher, microwave, everything. So we've got these launching as well today. For the launch tonight, I am doing something a little bit different. The first 10 people to order £50 or above are gonna get a free pair of mystery earrings, and these are the earrings. These little lovebirds, I thought they'd be really cute. So we got them ones to go in orders tonight. I'm gonna be live at 7 PM tonight to do the launch, but also to do our £5 and £10 lucky dips that we do. I do it every Friday, 7 PM live on TikTok. So that's gonna remain as normal, but we are gonna have the launch on top as well. So I've got loads to do today. We're gonna do a to-do list and then crackle with some stuff. January has been really tough for me, so I'm fingers crossed, really praying tonight goes well. But you never know, it might be the best launch we've ever had, it might be awful. I'm doing this launch a little bit different to any others. Usually I just have them in stock and you can buy it and it can go on forever. It's a better way of doing it if you want more money. It's a better way of doing it if you've got more time on your hands. But I'm trying to learn from my mistakes from last year. One was that I thought the more money I can make, the better. That was sort of my drive. This year, it's not about that. It's about healthy work and life balance, is that I want to try and do that a bit more. As long as I can make money for my bills and a little bit spare for myself, that's all I need. I don't want to get greedy. I don't want to push myself too much where I'm working all day and night every night, because it's not good for my mental health. It's just not great. So we're starting the year where this launch, once it's gone until our restock, and we'll do a Valentine's restock maybe a week before Valentine's or something like that. If needed, maybe I won't do a restock, maybe it's just a one item thing. I don't know how it's going to be, but what I do know is if the item isn't here, it's gone. So it's very limited on the website. I will say I haven't done massive amounts. I've just done as much as I could do at the time. Majority of items have got about 7 each, maybe 9. Some's got a little bit more, some's got a little bit less. I have no idea how it's going to go, but fingers crossed it goes well, and you can join me today and see what I get up to. So my first task was to edit the website and make sure that it's all Valentine's themed. So I changed the homepage, as you can see here. And by the way, this is times 35. So you can see how long this really takes to make. But I had no vision of what I was going to do, so I sort of just winged it, and I really like how it turned out. Okay, so task 1, edit website, is complete. That is all ready for tonight. So I've just done it quite simple. Happy Valentine's. I realised like lately that less is more. I really filled up my website with too much colour, and now I've recently redone it and I like it much better. So I've done a Happy Valentine's, treat yourself this Valentine's. You can click that to shop the collection. I've done some pictures of the collection here. Then I want to keep this like a main focus point with the flexible findings, hypoallergenic, nickel free, and that there's worldwide shipping. I think they are 3 really important points that need to be main on the website. Then we've got the welcome to Charings, bestsellers that you can scroll through and see our bestsellers, and then some customer reviews and join our Charings club basically. This week I've actually received so many really lovely reviews on the website, which I'm very grateful for, so hopefully they should be showing at the top of my website as well, which will be really nice. Now I'm going to do the email marketing. I hate this part. I hate doing email marketing. I don't know why, I just don't like it, but I don't think it's too effective either, if I'm being honest. I don't think it's very effective, but I'm going to do it again. I'm paying for it, so I might as well do it. Okay, so this is the email that I've got so far. It's not exactly extensive, but you know, it tells you what's coming. So obviously the logo, Happy Valentines, our Valentine's collection has just launched, and a shop now button. I've done these little heart dividers, I think they're so cute. And then a picture of the collection, and then saying about the mugs because they are brand new to the shop, and then some character earrings as well. That's all I've sort of done. I might add a little bit more, but that's as far as I've got so far. So I've just added a little bit extra. I added the lucky dips. So we do them every Friday, 7 PM, live on TikTok. So I've added the 10 and the 5 and just explained it a little bit. And then shop now buttons as well, so that people can just click straight on it and get to it. It's just a good little feature to add at the bottom. If you're wondering what I'm watching, it's Selling Sunset. I've already watched it like once or twice, but I'm watching it again and I bloody love it. But I'm coming to the end now, so it's kind of sad. But if you haven't watched Selling Sunset, make sure you watch it because there's loads of episodes, which is good. Full of drama, because I don't have much drama in my life. It's quite nice to watch someone else have it. And you see some like proper good real estate in America, and it just looks cool. Now the email is done, I'm going to schedule it out. So we've got 1,636 contacts. If you do want to receive our emails in the future, then just sign up to our mailing list. It's on the whole home screen of my website. Schedule it for today at 7 PM because that is when the launch is going to be. Only 20 past 10 in the morning and we've already got 2 ticked off. So that's 2. Next I'm going to edit a YouTube video. So I've not actually got very many videos to edit, but I do have one, but I don't know if I want to post it or not. I'm a little bit nervous to post it. It will be posted tonight if it is, but it's about how depressed I was last week because I was so down. I got no sales still in January. I was really upset. I was struggling a lot, so I don't know, I'm gonna have a look at it. I was baking bagels for the first time as well. Very random video, but I might post it, I might not. But also I'm not gonna be able to do like I usually do, like my reaction to the launch like I usually do on here. So you can see the behind the scenes of me live instead while I'm doing it. It's gonna be a different experience. I'm hoping it will bring a few more people to the website, fingers crossed, but I don't know. I don't know. I'm a bit nervous that no one's going to buy tonight. I'm not going to lie, I am a little bit nervous. But a few people have said they want the balloon dogs. A few people have said they want certain ones. So fingers crossed it'll go well. I'm going to make a prediction now and then we'll see at the end of the night. I think the best seller are going to be the balloon dogs. I think the flowers are going to be the least sold. I really want the Hello Kitties to do well because they took me a long time and I don't think we'll sell out. If we do, it'll probably be of the balloon dogs. So the slow-mo effect seems to be an issue because turns out I've also done this video in slow-mo as well. Luckily it's only the end of the video, so I'm gonna have to just put this in and do like a voiceover or something, but it's so annoying. So I'm just exporting the video now, so while that's exporting, I do need to just clear up my desk a little bit. It's not too messy, it's just, you know, I could do with clearing that up a bit. So I'm gonna go down, have a bit of lunch now, and then I'll come back up. It's only 11:30, so it's a bit of an early lunch, but I'm just gonna go and have them now, and then I've got the rest of the day then to just crack on. Okay, so I've edited the YouTube video. I also did the thumbnail. I didn't write that down, but I did the thumbnail and it's all uploaded. I'm at my desk. I am going to put the attachments on these lovebirds, the freebie for tonight. I've also got these that I recently ordered, so I'm just gonna put these away. First I got these cutters, a bit random really. I didn't realise they were gonna be so big. But I basically got these sort of teardrop cutters. There's loads of different sizes. But I wanted to use them for flower petals, but they're obviously huge. So, not great, but I'll put them away anyway, obviously. And then I also got these, which were actually really expensive. These again are gonna be for some florals that I've got in mind. Let me show you one so you can understand. So it sort of goes in, it looks like this. I don't know if you can see, it's like this little charm, and they just go in the middle of flowers. So I've got silver and gold. I have finished the lovebirds. I've put them all in a crate. I'll show you now. And then haven't been able to finish the lucky dips because my order still hasn't arrived. Pack orders I've just done. I'm about to print the labels, so we're going to do that now. Right, I'm going to input everybody's addresses and stuff now. I won't film it just so that you don't see any of the addresses, obviously. But afterwards, I'm going to go downstairs. It's currently 4:10, so I'll probably be done this about 4:30. I'll go downstairs, I'm going to make some dinner, and then I can come up and get ready for the live, basically, which is very exciting. I still haven't been able to finish the lucky dips, so basically, I am waiting for an order for some find-ins, jump hoops and stuff like that, and I literally can't make any of the lucky dips. I've made them, but I can't finish them and put the attachments on until it arrives. It says it's arriving between 4:30 and 7:30. My live is at 7. So fingers crossed it's coming in a minute, else I don't know what I'm gonna do. This is where it gets a bit crazy. We've got 1 hour until the launch, until the live, till the lucky dips, and I've just went down and had some dinner and stuff like that. So we've got 1 hour exact, and I have just received the parcel that I've been waiting for, so I can finish the lucky dips. So I need to put the lucky dips together right now. I need to build boxes so that I can put lucky dips in them. I need to get everything ready for the launch. I need to release the stuff on the website. Okay, let's go. Let's open this package first. I hate Amazon boxes. They always do that. They never just rip right across. Right. This is what I've been waiting for. These jump rings. Okay, so I've got all the earrings in here. And I literally empty out and fly through them. You know, this is the real reality of a small business behind the scenes, because I've just been crying. See all these other businesses with their mum and their dad helping them and stuff, and you know, it just upsets me. You know, I was on the phone to my nan earlier and she was like, oh, you were so talented when you did makeup. You'd have a real career if you did that. I said, well, I've got a real career in something else that I'm good at. And she just went, yeah. And you know, that hurts. Speaking to my mother-in-law, and she was saying that her friend said, I don't know who would buy them. Is that you got to just believe in yourself so much that no matter what other people say about you and your business and how much people doubt you, you still have to just completely ignore it and completely believe in yourself, and it's hard. But anyway, I'm gonna go live in 40 minutes. I've got bloody tears all down my face. It's currently 2 minutes to the launch, and I've just decided that I'm going to try them on as well. So I've got them all here on this one here. I've just launched them. I haven't told people yet, but I've just launched them so that I could have checked it beforehand to make sure it's all fine. It's all fine, ready to go, but I've just received an order already, so someone must have been refreshing. I've had an order for £19 and then someone's just ordered for £72. What the hell? Oh my god, she ordered so much and she got 12 quid off. How? What discount was that? Heart stud pack, the mini ombre heart, the Snoopy earrings, Snoopy key ring, heart hair clip, and a £10 lucky dip. Wow, that's a big one. Fun. Oh, I'm glad people are buying at least, thank god. Right, I'm about to go live, okay. Right, I'm gonna probably mute you now because I'm gonna play some music on my live, but you can see my reactions, I guess. It is now 9 PM. I've just come off my live, so I thought I'd just do a check-in, let you know what happened. So I did a prediction earlier. I did predict that I didn't sell out though. I sold out of the hearts, I sold out of the cherries, and I sold out of the balloon dogs, which is very exciting. So I'm gonna restock next Friday. But yeah, so we sold, I think the best seller was probably, well, all of them I guess, but the most I had in stock were the balloon dogs. So I think the best seller was the balloon dogs. I don't know if there's any item I didn't sell. I think the least favourite were probably the characters, which was surprising because everyone was asking for them, but it's okay. A very successful launch. I think I ended up getting about 25 orders in total, which is really good, especially for January. It's been a very quiet month, so I'm very, very pleased at the turnout. I've just uploaded a YouTube video now, so hopefully people will go and check that out. We had a few orders for lucky dips as well, so I pulled them out on live, and now I'm gonna go and relax because I'm extremely tired, and my boyfriend goes live in about 10 minutes, so I'm gonna go watch him in bed and relax and probably have a hot chocolate. But thank you very much for watching. Thanks for joining me today. I appreciate it. See you in the next one, I suppose. Bye.